Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa Indian style. Start your Indian style quinoa journey by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa under cold water. This crucial step removes saponin, which can cause a bitter taste. Next, toast the rinsed quinoa in a dry pan for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice a lovely nutty aroma developing, and this simple technique truly elevates the flavor and texture, making it perfectly ready for the next steps. Now, let's infuse some incredible Indian flavors. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a pan over medium heat. Once warm, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for just a few seconds, releasing their aroma. Then, add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes beautifully translucent and slightly golden, forming a fragrant base for our dish. Next, let's add some vibrant color and nutrition. Stir in about 1/2 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables, such as peas, carrots, or bell peppers. Then, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder for warmth and color. Finally, pour in 1 3/4 cups of vegetable broth or water, bringing everything together for the cooking process. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pan tightly, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. The quinoa will absorb all the liquid, becoming light and fluffy. Once cooked, remove it from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Finally, fluff it gently with a fork and garnish with fresh cilantro for a delightful, aromatic Indian-style quinoa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.